To set up Bill4Time rate tables, start by logging into your Bill4Time account and navigating to the Settings menu. From there, select the Rate Tables option to access the Rate Table Setup page. A rate table is a collection of rates that can be applied to different projects, clients, or activities. To create a new rate table, click on the Add Rate Table button and enter a name and description for the table. Next, you will need to add rates to the table. Rates can be based on hourly, fixed, or recurring fees. To add a rate, click on the Add Rate button and select the rate type. For hourly rates, enter the hourly rate amount and select the currency. For fixed rates, enter the fixed rate amount and select the currency. For recurring rates, enter the recurring rate amount, select the frequency, and select the currency. You can also add different rate levels to the table, such as standard, premium, or discounted rates. To add a rate level, click on the Add Rate Level button and enter a name and description for the level. Then, add rates to the level as needed. Once you have set up your rate table, you can apply it to different projects, clients, or activities. To do this, navigate to the project, client, or activity page and select the rate table from the drop-down menu. Best practices for setting up Bill4Time rate tables include regularly reviewing and updating your rate tables to ensure they are accurate and up-to-date, using clear and descriptive names for your rate tables and levels, and testing your rate tables to ensure they are working correctly. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively set up and manage your Bill4Time rate tables, streamlining your billing and invoicing processes and improving your overall productivity.